Hey CWA family, make a water bottle label with me. So the first thing you're gonna need is sticker paper. Mine is matte white because that's all I had, but glossy is good. You need scissors, tape, and of course the water bottle. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take the water bottle label off the water bottle, and then you're gonna measure it. You can use a tape measure or a ruler. I just used a ruler to measure mine. And I made I can't talk, y'all. I made the design in Canva. So you just use your ruler, tape measure, and measure the design, and then so that way you can know the dimensions of when you get ready to make your design in Canva, or if you're gonna use Cricut in Cricut Design Space. So I made the design, and now I've printed it out, and I'm using my Cricut machine to cut around it. Well, at least that's what I started doing, and then my Cricut machine started acting up, so I ended up using scissors, as you can see. So I ended up just cutting around it with the scissors. So you're gonna get your tape, your clear tape, and you're gonna lay the non-sticky side down on a flat surface. And then you're gonna get your label and put the front of the label face down on the sticky side of the tape. And you're gonna rub, you just wanna make sure you don't have any bubbles in it. Then you're gonna take your scissors, and it's gonna have a paper backing, I'm sorry y'all. And just rub real good so you don't have any light spots in it. Then you're gonna take your scissors and you're gonna cut all the way around on each side of the label. After you cut around it, this is what it should look like. And you see I'm still meshing down so that way it don't look, because mine is matte. If it was glossy, it would look a little better. All right, and so now you're just gonna pull the paper backing off the back of the water bottle label that you made. Mine was split in two for some reason, so it may be two pieces, but just peel the back off, and as you can see, it is sticky, so it will stick. So yeah, you see it has two pieces, but it is sticky and it will stick to the water bottle just fine. So you just position the label where you want it on the water bottle, and you pull it around, and make sure you pull it tight so it doesn't come off. And if for some reason it doesn't stick well, you could put a little piece of clear tape on there, but mine stuck just fine. So that's how it turns out. What do you think? If you have any questions, comment below and I can answer your questions. But for now, I want to see what y'all make. So y'all go over to my group, Crafting with April, and post your water bottle labels. And that's how it looks. Thank you for crafting with April.